New-gen Mitsubishi Triton ably continues a tradition of rugged off-road capability, combining proven mechanicals with the latest control technologies to make this Triton the best ever when the going gets tough. The biggest change for Mitsubishi's pickup truck is its newly developed ladder frame chassis that is aimed to deliver additional performance and toughness. Compared to the previous generation, the all-new Triton benefits from the substantial 60% increase in torsional rigidity, promising improved overall stability and durability. In terms of aesthetic upgrades, the new 2024 Mitsubishi Triton benefits from the beast mode design concept. It features an evolved dynamic shield fascia with a three-dimensional grille bracketed by three new L-shaped LED lights and new daytime running lights. On the sides, the vehicle gets robust doors with more durable handles, wider side steps, and prominent fender panels, adding to the stability and toughness. The rear profile also received an upgrade in the form of new T-shaped tail lights and a subtle spoiler for better aerodynamics. The interior of the completely redesigned Triton presents a notable advancement in both features and quality. With the cabin, you get a 7-inch LCD speedometer screen that is placed behind the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. It comes with a 9-inch infotainment screen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The internal equipment will be counted. 2-zone automatic air conditioning system, front USB port Type-C, Type-A, one at the front and one at the back, wireless mobile charger at the bottom of the dashboard. New-gen Triton boasts a new Mitsubishi-designed and developed 2.4-liter bi-turbo diesel engine. This power unit employs twin-stage turbocharging, two turbochargers, one small for fast response at low revs, and a larger turbo to fortify the top end to develop 150 kW of power at 3,500 rpm with a 470 Nm torque figure that's available from just 1,500 rpm to 2,750 rpm. Both 4x2 and 4x4 drivetrains will be available with an updated 6-speed automatic transmission. A 6-speed manual will also be offered on some variants. Mitsubishi has introduced a comprehensive suspension enhancement, introducing a new double wishbone front setup and employing a lighter leaf spring arrangement at the rear. Additionally, models equipped with the Super Select 4-wheel drive 2 system receive an active yaw control feature which improves cornering performance by delicately applying the brakes to the inside front wheel.